Hi, we're about to do a 8-minute Russian twist mountain climber workout, starting with a Russian twist. So sit down on your behind and get ready to lift your legs up and lean back. Go, lift your legs off the ground, lean back and balance on your behind, and then the twisting motion is pretending like you have a basketball and putting it down on either side of your hip. It could be a volleyball or soccer ball. If you can't get the balance right, don't worry, just keep trying. You'll get it. Stop and up, skater jumps. So what I want you to do is to get ready and step to your left as far as you can. Go, step left and then right. Make sure you swing your arms and look how I take my back leg, my back foot, and make a figure 4 behind my front knee. That's what you want to do. Just like you're speed skating, except without ice. Stop and back down. Cross-body mountain climbers. So we're going to do mountain climbers the cross-body way. Knee to the opposite elbow. Get ready. Go. So drive that knee up as far as you can towards the opposite elbow. And what that does is gives you a little more oblique work in addition to the regular core work you're going to get from doing mountain climbers. Stop and up, jumping jacks, just like you did when you were a kid. Get ready. Go, jumping jacks. Touch your fingers together over your head to open up those shoulders, open up that rotator cuff. And when your feet are open, they should be a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Regular breathing. I think I exhale about every other jumping jack. Go as fast as you can, but be nice and smooth. Stop, and hey, that's the order. It's not going to change. So we're back to Russian twists. Get ready to lean back and pick your feet up and go. Lean back, have your feet off the ground, and twisting, taking that imaginary ball and putting it to either side of your hip. Great for your obliques, great for your core, good for your balance. Russian twists. Stop and up, skaters, skater jumps. You don't have to step to your left, you can step to your right, but step as wide as you can. Go, stepping left and then right, taking that back foot, that ankle, and making a figure 4 behind that front knee. Swinging your arms, don't forget to swing your arms both for balance and for the total body workout. And don't forget to exhale and inhale. But I usually exhale as you step. Stop and back down. Cross-body mountain climbers. Get ready. Go dig. Dig fast as you can. Cross-body with good form. Hold up your upper body there. Great for your shoulders. Great for that core. Legs too. You're doing it all. Stop and up, jumping jacks. Go. Jumping jacks, fast as you can, with good form, touching those fingers together over your head. Feet wider than shoulder width. Regular breathing pattern. Great total body exercise again. Stop. Okay, what we're going to do now is take a little break, 30 seconds. Stretch out a little bit, take a deep breath, get a sip of water. Hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. And we're going to get ready for round 2. Exactly the same order. 10 seconds, so get ready. You might as well sit down. We're going to do the Russian twist first. Order's the same. Get ready to lean back and pick your feet up. Go, lean back, pick your feet up, and twist. Put that imaginary ball on both sides, on both hips, as you're twisting. Stop and stand up. Skater jumps. You're a pro at these by now. Get ready. Go. Step to the side. Make that figure 4 with your legs. And I want you to go as fast as you can, but do not sacrifice form for speed. Form is what's going to get you the most out of the exercise. And if you're smooth, the speed will come. Stop and back down. Crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go. Dig, dig, dig with that crossbody mountain climber. Knee towards the opposite elbow, so you're kind of twisting there the hips a little bit. Hold that body up, core nice and tight. Stop and up, jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks. Fingers touching at the top. Nice and smooth breathing pattern. Fast as you can. Stop and down. Russian twists with 2 minutes to go. Get ready to lean back and pick up your feet. And go. Lean back, pick up your feet. Balance there on your behind. Core nice and tight and twisting. Taking that imaginary ball from side to side. Stop and up, skaters. Get ready to step to the side and go. Stepping to the side. Good form. Taking that back foot, that bat ankle, and making a figure 4 behind the front knee. Swinging those arms, full range of motion. Nice and smooth. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go, crossbody. Knee to the opposite elbow. Dig, dig, dig. Fast as you can. Go fast. Just like you're running, except you're horizontal. Stop and stand up. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. There you go, jumping jacks. Fast as you can, nice and smooth. Go, go, go. Don't stop now. Now stop. Hey, if this workout was somehow too short for you, you can rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it, that's all. See you next time.